Lesson 1-7 is the distributive property. If this is the first time you're using these videos, please make sure you have your audio output up and that you pause the videos when the speaker asks you to. Let's review the distribution property that we learned a couple of lessons ago. The distribution property is a property of real numbers where multiplication is distributed over another operation, any of the other four operations. For example, 8 times the quantity x plus 5 is equal to 8 times x plus 8 times 5. We have three main uses of the distribution property. We can simplify expressions, we can rewrite fractional expressions, and we can also use the multiplication property of -1. Let's start with simplifying expressions. What is the simplified form of the expression 3 times the quantity x minus 8? We distribute the 3 over the x and the 8. We then can simplify by multiplying 3 times 8, and we get 3x minus 24. How about the simplified form of the expression, the quantity 5x plus 4 times -7? Even though it looks a little different, it's the same procedure. We're going to distribute the -7 to the 5x and to the positive 4. We then get -35x minus 28. Let's take a look at an example of rewriting fractional expressions. What sum or difference is equivalent to the quantity 7x plus 2 divided by 5? 7x plus 2 over 5 is equal to 1 over 5 times the quantity 7x plus 2. Because we can simply take the numerator, put it off to the side, and put a 1 on top. And then we will distribute the 1/5 to the 7x and the 2, like so. Our final answer becomes 7/5 x plus 2/5. Let's take a look at an example of the multiplication property of -1. What is the simplified form of negative quantity 2y minus 3x? The first thing I'll do is simply put a 1 in front of that negative sign. That now becomes -1. We will then distribute the -1 to the 2y and the -3x, like so. Your final simplified form would be -2y minus a -3x, or -2y plus 3x, since a double negative becomes a positive.